guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you're just now finding this video, my name's Hannah. Welcome to my packing style vlog. So I'm getting ready to head to Myrtle Beach for a week with my family. Yeah, I guess I just want to address that really quickly. My family and I booked a beach house in Myrtle Beach like several months back, knowing that we wanted to take a family beach vacation for a week this summer. And then obviously the pandemic hit. So this vacation has been up in the air, but places are starting to lift the stay-at-home orders. I know personally for me, I live in Virginia and we're in phase 2, and I know South Carolina is even more opened up, but even though they're opened up, we're still going to be quarantining and isolating with my family, and then my sister's boyfriend and my boyfriend, they're coming with us as well. We do have our own house, and I believe that the beach that we're staying on, like we're like 1 or 2 blocks down from the beach, but the beach that we're going to be using is a little bit more private than the public Myrtle Beach. I think we're staying in like Surfside and Garden City, which I don't know too much about because I normally stay in Myrtle Beach when we go there. But yeah, I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. People are starting to travel again and fly on planes and kind of aren't really taking social distancing very seriously anymore, even though cases are rising and the pandemic is very much so still a thing. But we are going to be taking all the safe precautions. We've literally we're driving down, we've mapped out where we're gonna stop, we bought all our groceries so we don't have to go to the grocery store when we're there. We're literally just gonna go to the beach, back to the house, maybe for a bike ride. We're not gonna be going to the boardwalk, probably, I don't know. We're probably not gonna be going to any malls or any places with a lot of people, and just not only to protect ourselves, but to protect the actual residents of South Carolina. So yeah, I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there before I get started with this video. I know that was kind of long and probably all over the place, but you get the point. We're social distancing, we're isolating, we're trying not to spread it, and we're trying not to get it either. So I am the queen of overpacking. I pack literally everything but the kitchen sink, especially for vacations that are a week long. I just think of every possible scenario that I could possibly go through and then pack for it, and that's not necessarily good, because we're not moving there, we're literally going on vacation there. So I mapped out everything in my iPad that I would need to bring. I know this looks like a lot, but I basically just accumulated a list of everything that I could possibly think that we may need, and then I may even condense it even more. But I know this looks like a lot, but I think by the time that I lay it out and go to pack it, it's actually not going to be a lot. I just separated things weirdly, so laptop charger, iPad charger, those could have probably gone into one line, but you know, I'm weird. So I have all of the devices that I need. I have all of the sunscreen, face wash, beauty items that I need. Then I came up with a bunch of different outfits or hair products that I may want to bring, and then I even broke it down into days, so Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, just so I could condense it even more, because I put a lot of clothes on this list, and I put way more clothes on the list than for the time that we're actually going to be there, if that makes sense. So I know I definitely need to condense it, so I put the days here, and then I'm just gonna lay them out on my bed. Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna start with is shoes. This is going to be the hardest thing for me to condense. I don't know if that is the right word, but basically this is gonna be the hardest thing for me to choose. I did map out a little bit that I wanted to bring, but I'm a shoe fanatic. I absolutely love shoes, so I think that almost every shoe in my closet could go with every single outfit, and I just don't know what I'm going to be in the mood for that day, so that's an issue. I'm going to go ahead and start picking out some shoes and then go from there.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that.
Okay, here's the final product. That's not too bad. I feel like 2 pairs of street shoes, and then 2 pairs of tennis shoes, and then 2 pairs of sandals. I honestly could have done worse. I was thinking about bringing my Nike Air Force Ones, but I tried to show some self-restraint, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of shoes. I feel like that's more than enough. Okay, I'm gonna try this method. We don't have that many big suitcases. I honestly need to invest in my own, but I have this little carry-on that I use when I travel, and then I have this bag, and I think I'm gonna put all of my shoes in this bag and then use this for my clothes, but I don't know if this is gonna be too small, so we'll see. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is pull outfits from my closet. I got a lot of this inspo from my summer outfits idea video, so if you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch it. I'll link it up above. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull outfits from my closet, the ones that I listed that I wanted to bring. I'm also watching vlogs simultaneously so that I can catch up on them. So if you see that in the background, that's what's happening.
Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living, but I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy.
Laid everything out of my bed, but I'm kind of starting to get stressed out because I just need to make sure that outfits go together and that I have an outfit for each day, especially like comfy outfits, because I think it might be raining there. I don't want to only bring outfits that I'm gonna dress up in because that's just not super realistic, you know? So I think I'm gonna divide them by days of the week and just go from there. Start putting things on the floor. I did vacuum my floor so I could do this, so I know for a fact that hoodies are good to go. I'm bringing 3, and then a long sleeve shirt I'll put over there. But I know for a fact hoodies are good to go because it's not really an outfit, so I'm gonna just put them on the floor.
It all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
I just categorized it by like days of the week, and I don't, this obviously isn't set, but I just wanted to know if I had like too many outfits or enough outfits, and as you saw I like literally started putting things back, so this is good. So Saturday's a driving day, so I'll probably just wear some like shorts or something that I'll bring with me. Monday we have a photo shoot, so I'll probably wear like close to the beach, and then at night I'll wear like a dress or this outfit. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, just extra jean shorts and t-shirts if I want to change, and then Saturday is another driving day, so I probably have too many outfits. I'm literally the queen of overpacking, so it is what it is. If anything, my sister can wear some clothes and I can wear her clothes and we'll have a whole wardrobe. But I think I'm going to leave some of the stuff on the hanger so it doesn't get wrinkled, because I do have a lot of dresses and I don't want them to be like gross in my suitcase. So now that we've done clothes, I'm going to go ahead and move on to like undergarments, like pajamas, underwear, bra, and stuff, and then bikinis. Oh, that would be so bad if I went on a beach trip and forgot bikinis. I'd probably cry, although I would be able to go on a shopping spree. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of these away, hang them up, or start putting them on a pile on my floor. My floor I'm gonna make like my completely 100% done area. Like I said, I vacuumed it so it's clean, so it's not gross to start putting things on my floor.
Now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it.
Next up is face/skincare. I won't be able to pack all of this stuff right now because it is Thursday and I don't leave till Saturday, so I do need some of it for tonight, tomorrow, and Saturday morning. But I'm going to pack everything that I don't need or / won't be using so that I have it, and then I'll put the rest in my phone so I know to grab it the next morning or pack it Saturday night.
Ryan Little.
I just got an exciting package in the mail, so this is kind of off topic, but I didn't expect it to come, so I might pack it for the beach, so I guess it's kind of on topic. But, Aritzia neon pink biker shorts. Bruh. Iconic. Legendary. Never been done before. Okay, I'm living for them. They're so cute. They're kind of see-through, so I would forewarn you about that, but they're really cute, and I feel like they'll be really cute with an oversized like white t-shirt or a gray t-shirt or something. The one thing I would have maybe sized down, I got this small and the waistband is a little loose, and since they're supposed to be spandex material, I wouldn't mind if they would have been a little tighter, but they're cute. I've never been one to wear biker shorts, but I think I might be able to start. Okay, I'm packing them. BT dubs. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. So this is all the stuff that I actually can pack right now as far as skincare, hair care, and like bathroom stuff goes, because I need everything else. We have, this is my jewelry, makeup, you kind of get the gist of the rest. So this is like miscellaneous stuff, but this is how much of the skincare stuff that I have left to pack that I just can't pack at this moment. So I'm gonna have to make a list in my phone so I don't forget, because I will forget. Okay, now I'm gonna start trying to make everything fit into this suitcase and this bag. I made sure to mark everything off on my iPad. The only things that I have left are like my backpack for like my laptop, camera, so on and so forth, but I'll do that after. I just want to see if I need to upgrade to the bigger suitcase. Wow, I actually did that. Made everything fit. I'm that good. That was good. Obviously, I'm not going on a plane. If I was going on a plane, this would be a different story because I wouldn't be able to bring all this stuff. Because of the fact that we're driving, I can bring a little bit more of things. Keep in mind that I do still have other things to pack. Like I still have to pack my shampoo and my razor and my toothpaste and other things like that in this bag, which is why I left one of the plastic bags a little bit empty. But so far we're doing good, and I left those shoes out because I'm just gonna wear them when I drive. Alright, now I need to do like my camera accessories and stuff like that, my laptop and the books in my beach bag and everything else that I want to bring that's surrounded by like that. I lost my GoPro charger and I'm really sad because I was going to bring it to the beach because it's like literally the perfect video recorder for the beach, but I lost the charger and none of the other chargers that I can find fit it, so I think I'm just going to have to not bring it. I guess it's like one less item I have to worry about though, but I'm sad. So I literally have all these accessories. I have like a dog harness so I can attach it to Gunner. I have a floating device. I have a the selfie stick and the case, but guess I can't use it. Really sad, I'll have to order another one. Oh, maybe it's in my camera case. Okay, update, it's not in my camera case, so that's a bust. As far as like things wise, this is gonna be my beach bag. I got this bag in Portugal, so I won't be able to link it. I just put my hat in here, my book in here, and then I put a pair of sunglasses in there because it's going to be my beach bag, like I said. I am bringing a purse instead of my wallet because I really like this purse. I got this in Italy, so I won't be able to link it either. But I put sunglasses, my reading glasses, and then all of my cards and cash are in this pocket, and then like health insurance cards are in this pocket. I figured it'd just be easier to travel with, and I'm gonna bring this with me and like have it next to me in the car, so anything that I would need for that is going in there. This, I have my camera lens, charger, and my blue light glasses, a bunch of SD cards, straws, and then I won't be able to put my laptop charger, or like my phone charger or headphones in yet because they're still charging. But once they're finished charging, I'll go ahead and do that, and then I can close out this bag. And then I have this blanket over here. But yeah, I think I've pretty much finished packing. I need to see what else is on my list. Pro's getting crossed off. GoPro charger's getting crossed off now. I'll need to bring all those. Yeti, shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, dry shampoo. Next thing I do is that I take all of the items that I didn't cross off on this list and I put it in my phone just for quicker access, because these are most likely the things that I'll be packing or putting in my bag the morning of or like the night before, and I want to be able to pack my iPad, so I am just going to put them in my phone for easy access so I don't forget, so I can quickly look at it. So we have vlog camera, laptop, charger. So this is just my day of list, so I can quickly refer to this in the morning and just check it off as I go. But yeah, that's it. That is a crap load of stuff. Kind of stresses me out thinking about having to keep track of it all. Packing for weekend vacations is so much easier than packing for week-long vacations, because packing for a weekend you kind of know exactly what you're doing and you probably have it planned out. But we just don't have any plans because we don't know what it's going to be like when we get there, and with Corona and quarantine and everything going on, we just don't know. If we knew, we probably would have planned some dinners and stuff like that, but we just don't know, so this is the end result. 2 bags here, shoes, 1, 2, 3 more bags, blanket, my hang-up clothes over there, all of my chargers that I need to bring. And that's pretty much it. I know that was a lot. I like watching other people pack and get ready for vacation because I love traveling. Like, traveling is probably one of my #1 favorite things to do in life, and so I like to see other people's travels and packing videos and stuff like that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.